time to get ready now. So I've just done my makeup and now it's time to get dressed. Okay, I'm all ready. This is what I'm wearing, this little dress. Oh, don't look at the state of my room with these little ballet flats, and I'll probably do this red bag. I was thinking either this one or this black Oroton bag, but then I feel like it's a bit too boring. So I left my hair natural today. We're in the Uber to go see everyone. This is what she's wearing, OOTD. We're at drinks. This is Maya. Look at her outfit. Talia. Her pants. Monique again. We're here. So that's Oscar, Tu's boyfriend, and he's getting cancelled right now because this is my vlog and you're getting cancelled right now.
Why am I cancelled?
You didn't give me on the kiss on the head?
Now I can't kiss him because he has dandruff on his lips.
Wait.
Look at you.
Do I look good?
You look great.
I don't know. I'll probably get a ginger beer. Hey, can I get a ginger beer, please? I want a couple bites of mine.
And whiskey.
Yes, Elaine's whole room. I'm like, hey.
I'm getting a blue tattoo.
So we went number 5. That's the option. Ooh, tiara. Do you want tiara too? That's perfect.
Okay, I'll also pay for a gold
Hello. Are you serious?
I've got to pay for my gold tiara.
Oh,
I'm about to look at my permanent tattoo. I've also got my crown.
Tiara.
Can you even see it from there? You probably can't. What the fuck is that? It's a minion. It's a minion. You probably can't see.
Yeah. Banana? Banana?
Banana.
Banana?
Banana.
Are you gonna cry?
Oh, she's gonna cry. A minion. You can put a girl here that does tattoos. Guys, a minion. I literally looked at that whole shit. I thought they're not gonna. They might choose a dragon. They might choose a dragon. They choose a minion.
Right, on to the next activity, people.
It's cute. I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play. It's a minion. A minion. We're gonna go dance. Talia, Monique. Oh my god, we're going in the end. We're going in the end. Ooh.
It's like Tangled.
Say smile. I forgot we're on the rise.
Yeah, can you hold 2 hands,
Woo!
please? Can you hold 2?
Where's the legs?
I wanna.
Put them out. Woo!
Chips on this makes me sick. Hopefully not.
My tummy is hanging up. And
What do you have there? Same. The pink gin.
I left my coconut behind because it's
Too heavy. It's very heavy.
Whoa.
Action shot. Action shot.
Oh my god.
One more time.
Maybe.
Ew. Another one? Another time?
Dude, there is going to be another one.
That's crazy.
Okay, get your fucking potato on a stick. Look at all the seasonings. I hope you dip it in that. Whoa.
Why is there like a sand of seasoning? Why is there
Oh my god, dude. That's probably why I'm sneezing, dude. Sorry, I'm so sneezy. I'm really sneezing, guys.
Get away from the pollen.
All of a sudden it stopped.
Mate, you...
Yeah, bro, I'm sorry, but the winding doesn't do anything. I'm looking at the same thing. It's a tiger. It's. You think it's bro? I don't. I think it's.
Head moves.
I think. Oh. What about this one?
Doesn't do anything. I think it's supposed to spin.
Can. I don't want like these anymore. So like, can you tell 2 to have some bridesmaids? Two. And
One break.
who? It won't be like that. I won't be like, I promise. When you ask me, I'll be really demure. I'll be like, oh my god.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. I promise. I got out all my excitement just 2 seconds ago, so. Thank you. Oh, look at
I know.
Okay. Let's have a look from it.